Hello everybody, this is JR. Today I'd like to show you how to change the engine oil for 2015 BMW X3. So usually I change it once a year, and this is just basically the time I have to do that job. So I'll show you what I have, and I have these items laid out here so you can see exactly all the tools or equipment you need. So as you can see, these are the items I have for this job. So I have a rag, oil filter, engine oil, car wheel block, a drain pan, a funnel, a toolbox, a torque wrench, shop rag, and a tool to open the filter cap, and one jack stand here on the right, another jack stand on the left, and a car jack. So those are all the items I'm gonna use for this job. Here I have removed the cover, and you can see there's a bolt here, so you need to use the 17mm socket to remove this. So I already loosened it. I need to do this.
A few moments later.
So I'm back. It's kind of still dripping. I went to get my gloves. It was quite nasty when the oil just come down. And to be honest, it was still a little bit warm. I waited for like 30 minutes before my last drive. Let's continue. So I just drove my car for like 5 minutes. I'm going to check the engine oil level. Initially the temperature was so low, so I couldn't just measure right after the oil change. So now I'm going to select start measurement. Wow, that's perfect. So it's within the range, because I know this car take like 5 liters, so I put exactly amount. And this is how you do the oil change.